Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix verification required when installing or updating free apps from the App Store on your iPhone and iPads, iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just go back to your home screen and then just open up here settings app on your device and then tap here on your Apple ID, and from here tap on media and purchases, and now type your on view account, and from here what you have to do is just tap here on country or region, and now type on change country or region, and from here what you have to do is just select your country. So I'm selecting here United States, and then here are some terms and conditions, so you have to read them and tap here on agree. Again tap here on agree to confirm the process. And here is the payment method: credit, debit card, PayPal or none. So what you have to do is just here you have to select add none. So that's it. And after that here you have to put the information. You can put fake one, and here you have to select the state for your country. So I'm selecting here California for my case. And here what you have to do is just you have to select the zip code for your state. If you don't know about the zip code for your state or city, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app. But in my case, the zip code for the California is 90201. And then here what you have to do is just you have to give your phone number. You can put fake one as well. And then tap here on next. Now tap on done. That's it. Go back and again open up App Store here, and then again try to download the app you want to download. For example, I want to download this free app here. So tap on get, give your touch ID or passcode. So guys, as you can see, app is installing right now without verification required. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.